Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So let us start today a new topic, that is consolidating data. So let's start. So what is consolidating data? Consolidating data means combining data from different worksheets into a one place, that is, for example, like the sales which I am going to show you, that of first quarter of 2020 and then 21, which I have to combine into one sheet, that is known as consolidate data. So let us analyze the data with the help of consolidate data feature, which is available in Excel, or you can say in Calc or Spreadsheet. So let's start. So let's jump into my laptop and start consolidating data. So first you can see here 2020. Related to that, the data have entered, right? I will not waste your much time, so I've done that thing. You can see like car, January, February and March. So of first quarter you can see. Same way for 2021 you can see that I have entered the data. I will also give you one tip, that is what you can do, as we have to match everything. So according to that, what we will do, we will make a right click on the sheet and you can see move copy sheet over here. तो जैसे ही मूव कॉपी शीट पर आप क्लिक करोगे, यू हैव द ऑप्शन ऑफ मेकिंग अ कॉपी. हियर यू कैन सी द सिलेक्शन ऑफ द कॉपी and then click on OK. Where you want it, that also you have to select it. Like you want at the end or you want before sheet 2, that you can select it and it is done. Okay, so this way you can make a copy, so it will be easy. Just you have to change the data. Like your 2020, now I will go with the 21 and I will change the value over here. Mainly consolidation is done of the values. Keep it in mind that we are doing consolidation of the values. So yes, we have to do the selection of the values, not of the whole data, that is of the table, right? So let's start. So first I will just show you over here, like I am doing the selection. You can see it. You will go to data. In that you will go with consolidate. As you will click on consolidate, you can see that I have made it already. So I'll just delete it, this one. Yes, you can delete it also and you can change it. So I will go to 2020 and I will do the selection. You can see that I have done the selection. Now click on add. After that, you will go to 2021. You will do the selection of the data, right, on which you have to do the consolidation. And yes, it is done. You can see it over here, 2020 the sheet name, and 2021, that is the next sheet name, and the cell range. So here the cell range will remain the same, and yes, you have to keep it in mind that the data labels, that is the column label and the row label, also match. Click on OK, so you will get the output. So you can see it here, the output. You can just see that 350 is there in the 2020 sheet and here 456. So what is the total? That is 806. Okay, so if you have understood, then yes, please try it and please share it to many of the people, those who are not knowing how to do it. And please like, share and subscribe my channel. I also have a playlist of IT 402. You can see it on my I button at the top, or you can see at the end screen. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.